I got these 8 laptop gadgets from Amazon that are actually very useful and quite affordable. So let's go. If your room has no space for a full-size desk, this foldable desk is for you. This can be attached to a wall like this. When you want to use it, you can just open it like this, and when you're done using, you can simply close it like this. The mechanism works super smooth. It can easily fit your laptop, your accessories, and it can take up the weight just fine. Plus, I like that there's a small compartment here where you can keep your essentials. Now this costs just 1200 rupees, and you can get this in the color of your choice, which is pretty cool. Would you believe if I said that this laptop has a stand attached to it? Well, there is. This is called the invisible laptop stand. Now all you have to do is to stick this at the back of your laptop with no air vents, just like this MacBook here. And you just have to flip it like this and boom, there's your laptop stand. This has 2 height levels and the laptop remains stable on it, be it while normal usage or while typing. Now there is some wobble if you really want it to wobble. This weighs just 80 grams, so it does not add a lot of weight to your laptop, and this costs just 380 rupees, which is awesome for the price. This 7-in-1 USB-C hub has all the ports you need. Just check it out. There's an HDMI slot for 4K output. Then there are 2 card slots. One is for micro SD cards and another one is for full-size TF cards. Next to it is a USB Type-C port for data transfer. Then there's one USB 2.0 port and another fast USB 3.0 port. And finally, there's a USB-C port with PD charging support. And all the ports just work fine. We have been using this at our office for a very long time. By the way, Type-C port allows you to connect your charger directly to the hub, which is quite convenient. Now this costs 1150 rupees and it comes with a mobile stand and a pouch. Nice touch. If you use your laptop with a mouse, then you absolutely need to get this mouse pad. This mouse pad comes with a super soft wrist support with memory foam so that you can use it for very long hours. Plus, the base is non-slippery, as you can see. And it costs just 399 rupees, which is super value for money. Now this is a 25,000 mAh power bank that can charge your laptop at up to 100 watts. It comes with 2 USB-A ports that supports 20 watt output, but the Type-C port can output up to 100 watts. It can charge most Windows laptop with Type-C charging and MacBooks without any problems. I charged my MacBook with this and it went from 5% to 50% in 30 minutes, which is quite fast. You can charge multiple devices simultaneously, and yes, it is allowed in flights too. Now this is on the expensive side with a price tag of 5,000 rupees and it's bulky too, but for what it offers, I'd say it makes sense. Now this is a laptop stand that can do this. This laptop stand has an all-metal design and there are vents so that it does not block the fans. And it has a 360-degree rotatable base so that you can rotate it to present stuff like this. But that's not all. It has extending arms so that you can extend it to any height you like, up to 53 centimeters. So basically, you can use it as a standing desk if you want. And it's quite portable. You can fold it when you're not using it. For 2900 rupees, it's quite versatile. Now, if you expect more from your mousepad, you need to get this one. This has a wireless charging pad on one side where you can easily charge your iPhone or Android with speeds up to 15 watts. Heck, you can even charge your TWS for that matter. And if you ask me about the mousepad, the surface is hybrid leather with perfect friction, which makes this a gaming mousepad. See, there are wireless chargers starting at 700 rupees, but this combo of mousepad and wireless charger for 750 rupees is a nice offering. This is a rugged laptop case that's super useful if you travel a lot or you just love throwing your bag. Apart from your laptop, there are compartments for a tablet, power bank, dongles, cables, etc. Although I'm not too sure about fitting in a big power brick. This is shockproof and water repellent, so splashes of water does not get in. And yeah, if it drops, it's safe. This also has a handle to carry it around easily. Now this costs 1200 rupees and this is good for 14-inch or 13-inch laptops, but there are options for bigger laptops as well. This one is a bonus. You must have seen a lot of videos of slime cleaning, dirty keyboards and whatnot. It's quite satisfying to watch, so I decided to give it a try. I tried it on my laptop keyboard and it cleaned off small junk quite easily. I also cleaned my laptop vents and I even cleaned the cup holder in the car, and it's quite useful. For 140 rupees, it's quite harmless. So that's all for this video. The links of all the products are in the description down below. Tell us which one you like the most. And for more such amazing videos, subscribe.